This video covers how to use waved sensor in combination with devices such as waved bracket, waved track mount, and waved battery pack. The sensor connects to these devices through snap handles. By pressing the sensor firmly down, it will snap in place. The snap handles are found on the bracket, the battery pack, and the track mount. Waved bracket can be mounted to walls or ceilings using screws in the 4 holes, or by using the double-sided tape on the back of the bracket. Always make sure that the bracket is mounted safely and is of no risk of falling off its surface. Once the bracket is securely mounted on a surface, simply press the sensor into place. Please note that when the sensor is connected directly to waved bracket, it should be powered through the 5V jack and configured as a router. Waved sensor can also be attached to a battery pack. When connecting the sensor to waved battery pack, please make sure that the pins on waved sensor are aligned and fits into the pin header socket on waved battery pack. Before connecting waved sensor to a battery pack, make sure it is on. Then press the action button. Press the sensor firmly down so that it snaps into place. If the action button was pressed, it will confirm the connection by a purple flash from the state indicator. Now that the sensor is connected to the battery pack, you can mount the battery pack directly to a waved bracket, just like with the sensor. Simply align the back of the battery pack with the snap handles on the bracket, and press it in place. Waved track mount provides the easiest way to mount waved sensor, and often provides ideal locations for capturing as much human-made noise as possible. Before mounting the track mount to its track, make sure that you are mounting it in the right direction. On the side of the track mount there is an elevated line that fits into its counterpart in the track. If the track mount is mounted facing the wrong way, it will not work. Once the direction is correct, simply press the track mount into its track, then lock it in place by turning the lock at the end of the track mount. When the track mount is in place, turn the channel selection wheel until you see the green power indicator light up. When the power indicator is green, you can proceed with connecting the sensor. This follows a similar procedure as with the battery pack. Align the pins on the sensor with the pin header on the track mount. Then make sure the sensor is on, and press the action button. To attach the sensor, simply press it firmly against the track mount, so it snaps in place. If the action button was pressed, the sensor will confirm the connection by a purple flash.